What is up, guys? It is your boy Hayabusa3, aka the Cloaker Smoker here, and today we're back with another Payday 2 video. For my first series I did was Hoxton Breakout, and today, well, we're gonna be doing a build, and it's called the Explosive build that I made up, and it's pretty psychedelic actually. So if you guys want to see more of this stuff, make sure just like, and then we'll get to there. First off, this is the explosive build. What you're gonna need, as you can see as my character, you're gonna want to pick Change. Change is one badass motherfucker, and I tell you that much. Best fucking character in the game, other than Jacket and Sokol. Once you pick Chains, you want to pick the little friend 7.62 assault rifle with the stubby compressor and a combat sight. The only way you can get this gun is you have the Scarface character back, which I do recommend getting because it comes with Scarface and this gun and a perk deck, which is called Kingpin, and I'll go in another video. Middle one is the China Puff 40mm grenade launcher. This is to get this gun you need to have the Wolf Pack DLC, and this is for PC people. If you already have the original Payday and you already have the Wolf Pack, then you can get it. What's next? You need the potato masher as your melee weapon. Then you will have Molotov Cocktails. You can get this from the BBQ Pack. Console players already have this if you buy one of the editions. We're actually going to want to have Grinder. Grinder is going to be a very good pack to have, as you deal damage and you get damage. Next, you want to have the Iron Man skill, which comes out with the full decked out armor. Then you're going to need some first aid kits with the maxed out Mastermind perk with. It gives you about maybe 14 medkits. So as you can see, also the Chuck mask. This video is very fucking patriotic. Thank God, America. Some explosions, shit. Alright, so as you see here, this is what your build wants to look like, and we're gonna go check this out in game. I'll see you there. Alright. Welcome back. Now today, sorry, now to show you how this perk works, we'll see how the map we're playing, the heist we're playing is Birth the Sky. If you want to play this kind of map, which does pay out some good times, is the Point Break Heist pack, which you should have for your console or PC. It's very good. As you see, you throw a Molotov, which lays some fire, and since you have Grinder, this will help you regenerate some health. And what you want to hold is down on your D-pad for your action button, so you can pull out your grenade launcher with this gun. As you can see, boom, and then you just hit some pop shots. And yeah, you can see we're using the potato masher doesn't really do anything, but it's also explosive. But you can also pick up more grenade launchers from the ammo drops right there in the corner. Just keep firing off pop shots, and hopefully you'll never run out of ammo. If you pick all the good ones, then you can see another one. China Puff is really good, even though after they nerfed it, it's still really good for you to have, because you can also still pick up ammo ones, unlike any other guns in this game. But I really do enjoy it. Also, the song that I'm using is Ode to Greed. Now, this is only for PC people. You need to have the Big Bank DLC, which I also do recommend. It is part of the dentist timeline, and hopefully one of these days we can go over the Payday lore. But anyway, console players, you will have the Big Bank DLC already installed, so Ode to Greed, the song will still be there. And I do recommend it. It's a really good song to have while you're doing your heist. It's got that catchy tune. And well, as you can see, that's basically what the explosive build is. And just to be clarified, these builds will not really help you in game. This is just more to have fun if you have nothing else to better do in game. And well, I hope you guys liked the video. Leave a comment down below if you guys want to keep watching more of these armor build videos. And maybe some more Payday videos. I'll do some live streams sometimes. But that's all for today. My name is Hayabusa3, aka the Cloaker Smoker, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.